Hey, it's paastdb, and in today's video, I'll be releasing and explaining my new program, Colorvision. This program I created allows for you to create unique effects with color maps in any MP4 file. And since it's a program, it's compatible with any video editing software on Windows. Sorry, Mac. But now, let's get into downloading and using my new program, Colorvision.
I don't fuck with these niggas no way. I was born and made my own way. I got models all over my plate. I got drugs and shit on the table.
Hey y'all, yeah, it's paastdb, and as y'all know, I just released my program Colorvision. Well, in this video you will be able to get it, but first, getting into Colorvision, this was a little passion project of mine that I wanted to first be a After Effects plugin, but that didn't happen because I had problems with linking static and dynamic libraries, static or dynamic libraries, to work with the AE SDK. So I really just made it a little program so that anybody can use it. And if you want to get it, all you have to do is go to this GitHub link that should be in the description. Just a little description of Colorvision, and it has the original code with it as well. So that if you want to tamper with it or build up on it, you can do that. But yeah, if you want the exe file, just click on this link and it's going to take you to the Google Drive, and you can download it from here. But you know, I already have it downloaded, so let me preview it and show you how it works. So first, we're going to open up this exe file. Might take a little while, but it will open. There we go, it's right here. And then all you have to do is, so let's upload a file. So let me go to my video section. We're going to use input video. And then it already has some settings, like it's already default contrast is like 2 or something, brightness. I'm not changing that, I'm keeping infrared effect on it. And let's say I want a deep green, like night vision effect on it. Let me put the input file path, there we go. And I press start processing. And you'll see a little preview of what it's gonna look like. And after it's done rendering, it's going to stop. And you should be able to see the final product. So when it's done rendering, it's gonna generate a video file with no audio and one with audio. So as you can see, this is the video with no audio. And this is the video with audio. But this will not always happen because it is glitchy and buggy. I'm just doing a little warning for this. But then, you know, and you can just put this into your projects. And you can use this with any video editing software. And so, yeah, please go down in the description, go to the GitHub, follow me on GitHub, follow me on all my socials, and get this program that I created. I want all y'all to try it out, test it, you know, put in little projects that you have. And so, yeah.